morning, Flora Travel Agent here. May we help you?
Good morning. Yes, I want to book a bus ticket.
Which destination do you need, miss?
I want to ask about the travel cycle to Labuan Bajo.
Where are you going, miss?
Friday, late Friday.
Okay, the first bus will leave at 8 a.m. and there is another one in every 2 hours until 4 p.m. Which do you want to take, miss?
I want to take the first bus 8 a.m.
Okay, how many tickets do you want, miss?
The ticket, please. How much will it cost?
100,000 for each bus ticket, miss. So that total you have to pay is 200,000.
I will transfer it your company.
Before that, may I have your name?
Rebecca.
Before that, may I have your name?
Sure. Romeo, Echo, Bravo, Echo, Double Cherry, Alpha.
Okay, I will repeat your bus ticket booking is to ticket to Labuan Bajo, first bus at 8 a.m.
Right.
every day, right?
Right, thank you.
You're welcome.